Hey everyone, how you doing? I just want to update you on our remote and virtual learning support site, specifically for Edgenuity Resources K-5. So first off, how do we get there? Well, we of course go to our My CNUSD like we always do. Then we go to our teacher resources on the left. Then we go to CNUSD Remote Learning. Now, of course, there are many options for support on this site, but we're specifically talking about Edgenuity for K-5 right here, just in alphabetical order. Now, if you've been here before, they have changed. So it's getting updated and it's getting updated a lot right now. So first off, it's split up by grade level from K to 5. Very simple here. And then if you've been to the site before, you know about our Edgenuity resources. So let's start there first. The Edgenuity resources, it's all just in alphabetical order. So scroll down the list and see what you might like, from training videos to different types of help content. And if you haven't been here before, one of the best things is the Google Drive shared folder that's created by Audrey. So she has student and parent facing resources, teacher facing resources, and they're all videos. So if you click in there, it's going to take you to a Google Drive where there's just a plethora of videos to help you out that you could either learn for yourself or, like I said, send out to the parents and students so they could get even more help as well. Now let's go ahead and remember the back button. The back button will just take you back one screen. Otherwise, if you're clicking over here again, is going to take you all the way back to the beginning again. But either way, you're going to get back to where you're wanting to go. And let's look at K through 5. Now, obviously, you're just going to pick the grade level that works for you. They're all going to work the same way, though, so you can help colleagues if you need to. Your Edgenuity resources, once again, are going to be at the bottom of every single page that you go to. Then you'll also see Syllabi and answer keys. Under Syllabi is going to have your semester A and semester B syllabi for every single subject that Edgenuity offers there for you: math, language arts, social studies, and science. Then if you have reading logs, I put those under Syllabi as well because you didn't really have another place to put them. So that's all your resource documents. When you click on it, is going to link right to a Google Drive. So you're not going to have to sign in again or put in passwords or go through Edgenuity. It's all just right here. Now let's go back to the answer keys. Now the answer keys, look at how many there are. Again, math, language arts, social studies, and science, split up between semester A and semester B down here. Now, every grade level is going to be a little bit different, but in the beginning, it should say all. That'll just be one big PDF. A lot of times it's like a 300-page PDF. So what I did here is I just split it up by module. So if you need, kindergarten module 1 for math, then it's going to go straight there to those answers, and you'll be able to see those answers right in there. Google Drive saved the file in there for you. Now, if you'll notice, some, don't have as much as all, because this was a little short answer book for language arts. Sometimes they call different things, or different headings on there. So you'll see those. And sometimes there's benchmark assessments depending on your grade level. Sometimes there's sight words, so those will be at the bottom as well. So whatever you need, they will be right here, and you'll be able to easily go there without having the need to go through multiple pages or having password protected. Because if you've been on Edgenuity before looking for answer keys, you'd have to go to your specific, like let's say language arts, then you have to go to your teacher guide, then you have to go through all your pages depending on which page it is. There's your syllabus, and then trying to find your answer keys. And then once you get to your answer keys, you have to put in that password each time and go look for each one. So hopefully this is going to help you out, and this page will continue to be updated, and you're going to have more and more information to help your Edgenuity go smooth. See you guys later. Have a good night.